Alright, so this is all the skincare that I currently own, and clearly it's a lot. Okay, so I'm really overwhelmed because this is a lot of skincare, and like clearly one person does not need this much skincare. It's so problematic to have this much skincare because it's really wasteful, because there's no way that I can possibly use all of this. And also, if something irritates my skin and I'm using all these products, there's literally no way for me to tell what has done that to my skin. Okay, so this is my little filming setup here. I have this box here from Glossier. I just thought it was like a really nice small box, so any skincare that I want to give to my sister, I'm gonna put in here. Oh shoot. Let's get started. So I think the plan is skincare that I'm gonna give to my sister will be put in this box. Skincare that I need to throw out because it's either too old or I don't like it, or I don't know, like why else would you throw out skincare? That will be thrown into a garbage bag so I can throw it out, and then anything that I want to keep, I'm gonna keep on the countertop. So let's start here. So this is the Hey Bud clay mask. I really like this mask, so I'm gonna keep it. Fresh Rose face mask. I also really like this mask. I'm gonna keep it. This Aven thermal water, it's just like a nice little like, what do you call? It's a thermal spring water spray. This is kind of nice to keep, so I'm gonna keep that as well. All these 4 products are from Naturium, which is a affordable skincare company. I have the Vitamin C Super Serum Plus, their squalane, their niacinamide serum, and also their retinol serum. So I'm gonna keep all 4 of those because I need to test them out. This Vestiva lip balm I've had for a really long time. It's really old, so I think I need to throw this out because it's super, super old. So that's gonna be thrown out. This Paula's Choice mask. This is a really great mask, but unfortunately it's just too drying for me. So I'm gonna give this to my sister because she has oily skin. Glossier sent me their solution, which is a BHA, AHA, PHA exfoliant. It's got a lot of stuff in here. I am really happy with the BHAs and AHAs that I'm using right now, so I'm not gonna keep this. I'm gonna give it to my sister. Okay, Good Molecules Pure Cold Pressed Rosehip Seed Oil. Definitely gonna keep this. I just got it in PR and I freaking love it. This is the Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamin Superfood Cleanser from Youth the People. Definitely gonna keep this because I'm almost done with it. I'd like to finish it. This is the Bite Beauty Agave Lip Mask. I also love this product, probably gonna keep it. Okay, this Inculus Beta Hydroxy Acid. I did not love this product, to be honest. I didn't love it. So I'm gonna throw this out because it's almost done and this is actually really old. This is the Quadruple Hyaluronic Acid Serum from Naturium as well. So I'm gonna keep this because I need to test it out. I've only tried it a couple times, so I can't really give you my thoughts on it, but gonna keep that. This is my current favorite lip balm, so there's no way that I'm parting with it because I absolutely love it. This is the Royal Honey Essential Wrinkle Corrector from Skinfood. It's technically an eye cream, but I like to use it as a, as a lip balm. Okay, we have 2 of the same thing from Sioris, the Time is Running Out Mist. I'm gonna keep these only because I am so low on both of these. I'd like to finish them up. The silicone-free priming moisturizer from, where is this from? From Good Molecules. I really like this moisturizer. I've actually used a fair amount of it, if you can tell, like right here. I've used a fair amount, as you can see. Like I'm almost close to getting halfway done with it. So I really like this, so I'm gonna keep it. This Drunk Elephant De-Bronzy Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops. This is a gorgeous product. I haven't been using it though because I have nowhere to go, so I don't really think I can use it. But I think, I don't know what to do with this. It was expensive. I'm gonna keep it. 4-3 Beauty AM to PM Gel Cleanser. This cleanser is so lovely. I'm definitely gonna keep it, also because I'm almost done with it. The Core's Greek Yogurt Cleanser, gonna keep this because I'm almost done with it as well. Okay, 4-3 Beauty Waterfall Gentle Tonic. I think this might have gone off because it used to be a different color and now it's not the same color. It looks kind of weird now. And also it smells weird. So it kind of sucks because I just bought it, but it kind of turned a different color and it smells weird now. So I think I'm gonna throw this out because I think it's gone bad. This is a Paula's Choice 2% BHA gel. Definitely not parting ways with this. This is the only BHA that I have in my collection right now, so I'm definitely gonna keep this because it is an absolute staple in my collection. Okay, Peach and Lily Matcha Pudding Antioxidant Cream. I love this little guy. Let's see how much I have left. Okay, so I'm almost done with it, which is good, I think. I don't really know if I'm gonna finish it though, because I have a lot of moisturizers to get through. So I think I'm gonna come back to this one. All right, Crave Beauty AHA, definitely keeping this. I'm almost done with it, so I'd like to finish it. Paula's Choice Replenishing Moisturizer. This is an amazing, amazing product. However, it is super, super old. I know I've had this for at least 2 years now, so I need to throw it out. Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. I wanted to like this. I did. I really wanted to like it. But unfortunately, I just did not like it at all. It smells really nice and stuff, but I don't know, it just didn't work for me. I think I'm gonna give it to my sister because this is actually brand new. So I'm gonna give it to my sister. This is the Embryolisse Leg Creme Concentré. I got this in France. And I actually haven't used it a whole lot. You're supposed to use it as like a makeup primer, but I don't wear like foundation makeup at all, so I haven't had a chance to use this. But I think I'm gonna keep it just on the off chance I start doing face makeup. It's a really beautiful cream, I will give you that. Like, it's a beautiful like primer type cream. But now that I'm thinking about it, I have other moisturizers that I'd rather use as primer, so I think I'm gonna give this to my sister. Next up, we have the Visviva Urea 5% and Niacinamide 5%. I am never parting with this. It's so good. So definitely keeping this. This is the only body lotion that I'm currently using. This is a fresh cream body lotion from Philosophy, so keeping that. This is the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. This is one of the few retinol products that I am currently using, so I'm gonna keep this. I actually used it last night and my skin looks really nice today, so I'm definitely gonna keep this and keep using it so I can formulate more thoughts on it. Good Molecules Discoloration Correcting Serum. I really, really like this. It works really effectively, but the thing is that I don't know if I need like 5 different discoloration correcting products because I use a lot of niacinamide, AHAs. This has tranexamic acid, so I don't have that ingredient aside from this one. But okay, we're gonna table this one. Okay, so tabled products are gonna go, I don't know where to put them. Okay, I guess I'll go on this ledge. Okay, let's see, Green Clean from Pharmacy. I'm actually almost done with this, so I'm going to keep it because I'm almost done with it. Oh my god, Josie Maran SPF 47. If you have been a subscriber for a long time, you will remember this because back in the day when I was in college, I was so ride or die for this. Like, this was my ultimate SPF because it's mineral based. It's inorganic sunscreen filters like titanium and zinc oxide. Yeah, it has both of them. But it has a really beautiful dewy finish and no white cast, so I really love this. But I know for a fact that this is super, super old, so I'm gonna throw it out. This is the Herbivore Emerald CBD Facial Oil. I do really like this product, but I don't know, I just have like a lot of facial oils in my life right now, so I don't know if I'm gonna use this because I do really love the Good Molecules Rosehip Seed Oil. I in general just love Rosehip Seed Oil, so I don't know if I'm gonna use this emerald oil, but like honestly it was so expensive, like I feel terrible parting ways with it, so I think I'm gonna keep it for now. Actually, we're gonna table it. Okay, this is the Forthright Beauty Lightweight Hydrator. I do like this, however, it's not enough for my skin, so I'm going to give this to my sister. This is the Misha Essence Sun Milk. I've talked about this so many times on my channel because it's like literally the most lightweight, gorgeous sunscreen. It's formulated in such a sophisticated way. It feels like a serum or a moisturizer, not a sunscreen. So I'm definitely gonna keep this. I actually have 2 of them. One of them I take with me to travel. One of them I guess I keep at home. I don't really know. They're both pretty full. I don't know. I'm gonna keep them. Okay, Good Molecules Niacinamide Serum. Like I said, I have a lot of niacinamide in my life because I have one from, what is this brand? Naturium. I have one from Visviva, and then I have one from Good Molecules. So I definitely don't need all of them. So I think I'm gonna give this one to my sister because I know she uses the Ordinary's niacinamide serum, but I know she's gonna run out eventually, so I'm gonna give this to her. This is the coconut water cream from First Aid Beauty. I wanted to like this, but it's one of those like gel moisturizer textures, and I have just come to learn that I don't like gel moisturizers on my skin. It just doesn't work for me. It's just not emollient or occlusive enough for my skin. So I'm gonna give this to my sister because she has oily skin. This is the Roche-Posay Anthelios XL Spf 50. This is a body sunscreen that I like using, so I'm definitely gonna keep this. Haha, my holy grail sunscreen of the moment. This is the Cosrx Aloe Soothing Sun Cream. Love this little guy. Definitely keeping this because I use it on a daily basis. This is the Great Barrier Relief from Crave Beauty. I'm definitely keeping this because it is like my band-aid. Like if I have like a bad skin day where I overused an active, this product in particular is really, really great at repairing any of the damage that has been done. Naturium Marula Oil. This is interesting to me because it could potentially be a dupe for Drunk Elephant's Marula Oil, so I will have to investigate that. All the products from Naturium were sent to me in PR, so I'm not ready to part with them yet because I want to evaluate them and give them a review on my channel, so I'm going to put them all together. This is the Sioris Day by Day Cleansing Gel. I think I got this as a freebie from olali.com, which is a Korean skincare company. They like skincare retailer, I guess, because they sell other brands. Since I'm running low on a lot of my morning cleansers, I think I'm gonna keep this because it's a morning cleanser. I could always use a morning cleanser. Good Molecules Ultra Hydrating Facial Oil. This is honestly so small. Like I don't feel bad keeping it because it's just so tiny. Like I feel bad throwing it away and giving it to my sister because my sister wouldn't use this. She doesn't like using oil on her skin. So I'm gonna keep this. For now, I'm gonna put it on the maybe pile. Okay, Fourth Ray Beauty Bfd Cleansing Oil. I hated this. It was not good. It dried my skin out, which is really strange because it's a cleansing oil. Oils are generally very moisturizing, but this really dried my skin out. And I don't want it to dry anyone else's skin out, so I'm gonna throw this away. This is the Mellow Milk Mist, and this is the Rose Face Milk. I did not like either of these. They burned my face really badly. I didn't like it, so I think I'm going to give it to my sister in case she likes it. I think it's worth a try. If she likes them, then she can keep them, but if not, she can just throw them out. Laneige Sleeping Cica Mask. I don't know. Did I try this? I don't remember. I think I did try this, and I don't remember it being amazing, but I don't know. It's so tiny. I'm gonna keep it. This is my current favorite moisturizer. This is the Primera Alpine Berry Watery Intensive Cream. It doesn't look like I've gone through a lot, but I actually have. I've had this for a couple months now, and I've really been using it a lot. So this is like a staple in my routine. I'm gonna keep that. Belif Moisturizing Eye Balm. This is an eye cream. I don't really believe in eye creams, but on the off chance that I want to use an eye cream, I do use this. So I'm gonna keep that. This is my favorite of all time wash-off mask currently, I think. This is a black sugar honey mask from Skinfood. I think I have a lot left. Yeah, I have a lot left. So I'm not gonna part ways with this quite yet. This is the La Roche-Posay Anti-Imperfections Anthelios Sunscreen. I really did enjoy using this. I loved it, but I don't necessarily want to repurchase it because I'm going so strong with my Cosrx Aloe Soothing Sun Cream. So I'm gonna throw this out because it's new. Sorry guys, camera died. Where was I? Okay, so this is the Royal Honey Propolis Enriched Sleeping Pack from Skinfood. I have never tried this. I tried it briefly on the back of my hand because I wanted to see what the texture was like, but I've never actually tried it, and it looks so delightful. So because this is brand new, I'm gonna keep it. I also have a backup of my Aloe Soothing Sun Cream from Cosrx. Gonna keep this as well. And then I literally don't know why I bought this. Like, I don't know why I bought this. This is the Ordinary 100% L-Ascorbic acid or vitamin C powder. This is like to make like a DIY vitamin C serum, but like honestly, like I'm not gonna have the time for that. I don't know why I bought this. Like I do not know why I bought this, but it was so inexpensive. I'm not hurting too badly from it, but again, I don't know why I bought this. I'm looking at the instructions and it's super, super vague. It like doesn't tell you like how much to put. It doesn't tell you what to mix it with. I don't know. This is a maybe. And holy moly, I believe that was all my skincare. Okay, so clearly I didn't do a good job of getting rid of a lot of stuff, but to be fair, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these products were sent to me in PR, and so I wanted to test them. So 7 out of, you know, a lot of products. I don't know. Some of it's backup, some of it's stuff that I am nearly done with, so I don't know how to feel. But I do have a fair amount of products to give to my sister, so I know she'll really enjoy that. But I don't know, I feel like variety is the spice of life when it comes to skincare. Obviously, you know, you do want to stick with a consistent routine, because if something irritates your skin, you're not going to know what it is, especially when you're testing new products. So it is kind of important to limit what skincare you're using, but a lot of these products are things that I have known and used and loved for so many months or years. So let's look at the maybes. So okay, we have the ordinary L-Ascorbic acid, we have, what is that? Ultra Hydrating Facial Oil from Good Molecules, Emerald CBD Oil from Herbivore, Peach and Lily Moisturizer, and also Discoloration Correcting Serum from Good Molecules. I don't know what to do with these. I really don't know. They're full except for the Peach and Lily moisturizer, so I don't want to throw any of them out because they're brand new, but I don't think my sister would like using them, so I don't really know what to do about these. But I think I'm probably, to be frankly honest, gonna keep all of them until I decide what to do with them. But yeah, this was my very small declutter. The thing is that a lot of these products that are in my routine, they have a very specific purpose. So like, for example, like Crave Beauty Great Barrier Relief, like if my skin is feeling really irritated, I like using it. You know, BHA is really important, AHA is really important, cleanser is really important. A lot of the serums are like just like really nice and hydrating that I like using. So like I feel like everything in my routine has a purpose, and I do use all of them. I don't know guys, I'm kind of struggling here. I'm not good at decluttering. Maybe it's just like a immigrant household mindset, but like I am naturally such a hoarder, and so it's hard for me to declutter because I'm like, what if I need this one day, or like I spent money on this. So I think all in all, the takeaway here is that I need to be a lot more intentional about how I'm buying things. So that means if I have something currently, not going out and buying something when I haven't finished up that product. So basically I have 1, 2, 3, 4 cleansers here. So definitely no more cleansers for me. I cannot buy any more cleansers. And holy mac, I just realized that I bought a cleanser recently from Sephora during the sale. So that's problematic. But okay, I feel like this was good progress. So for my first like skincare declutter that I've done in like a long time, this was good progress. So I'm gonna sign off here. Thank you guys so much for watching and spending this time with me. Let me know if you wanted to see more declutter videos in the future, because this was kind of fun to film. I don't know, like talking through each of the skincare products made me realize things that I need to use more often, things that are neglected in my routine, because I just realized that I haven't used my BHA in weeks because it was in a drawer and I forgot about it. But to be honest, my pores aren't that bad, so maybe I don't need to use it. But yeah, all in all, that's the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and spending this time with me. Have a beautiful week, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!